Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my tiny rolling store at Tagbak Marine Park in Liloan, Southern Leyte. Yan, you can see the two umbrellas to protect the customer from the heat of the sun. And yan po yung view from the side view outside. As you can see, I wrote the items available, and meron din tayong sign for rent umbrellas. Yes, the front view which displayed yung ating mga available na item para alam nila, kasi minsan yung customer nakatingin sa gilid or sa front and other gilid, kaya dapat always ready. And we also accept GCash payment for your convenience, diba? Full package na yan. So yan yung yung itsura or design ng ating rolling store sa malayuan. This view right here is makikita nyo yung sealing machine ko and the umbrellas. Masisilip nyo rin yung ating signage, first ever signage ng Kairos. Iyan din yung sticker namin before. So good morning. Hi everyone. I just challenge myself na meron nga bang magiging customer in Monterrey. Okay, titingnan natin. Okay, so while waiting, mag-arrange muna tayo or prepare things inside para ready na pagka may customer, diba? So yan nga, nag-ano lang ako dyan, nilalagay ko lang yung ice sa box. And finally, meron na nga tayong customer. Pagka ganyan first customer, parang medyo yung parang kakabahan ka. Yay! We have customer and I'm thankful. I'm very thankful na dahil sa ganap na yan. Although, yun lang. Pero alam niyo naman, diba? So, hindi natin alam kung may susunod pa. So, let's see and try. At yan na nga si Sir bumalik with his kid. A very cute kid. Ang galing. Yes, they choose the bigger size of popcorn. Bigger size. Tapos nirecommend ko pa yung maliit. Bigger size yung gusto. Ang cute ng bata. Naka-smile pa siya. It's very cute. Yes, and prepare lang natin yung order nila kasi bababa sila para mag-picture sa baba. And for your information, it's a tourist destination, kaya yan sila actually sila from afar pa yan sila kasi yung salita nila is from Western Leyte yata or Eastern Leyte, ganun. So habang hinahantay sila, sir, niluluto lang natin yung popcorn para ready na for later. This place is along Maharlika Highway, kaya no worries if you are going to Mindanao, you can pass by here. And why not, diba? Why not? Bili na din kayo. So yan na nga siya. Yes, kita nyo yun, nag-pop na siya. Nag-pop na yung popcorn. Oh my God. So, it's very fresh and hot serve. Tsaka ang popcorn kasi is nutritious snack. Dahil it comes from a corn. Yeah, so go back to the way, no? Vice versa din pagka pupunta ka ng Manila. Dadaan ka talaga dito if you are using land trip. Yes, and may port din naman ang Liloan para makatawid kayo papuntang Surigao City. Kaya, it's a busy and at the same time peaceful city. Ang ganda niya, kasi ang water dito is very clear and they have a white sand beaches. Ito kasing lugar na to, yung pinagtitindahan ko is operated by LGU, but then meron ding mga private resorts naman na magaganda. Marami dito. Maraming tourist destination kung gusto mo talagang gumala. So, yun ang kinuha ng bata. Actually, kanina yung bata na yun is shouted for popcorn. Kaya thanks to him, no? Nagkaroon tayo ng benta. So, yun. Meron na namang next customer. And he buy the same. And a big size also. Popcorn. Wow, that's great. So while preparing it, si Sir ay bibili rin ng tubig. Tingnan mo naman, nakatingin siya sa ating video. Nahagip sila ng ating video. Shoutout po sa inyo kung mapanood nyo man to. Thank you so much for buying. Actually, si Sir ay bumalik para manghingi ng extra bowl or box ng popcorn, but I'm not able to give him that. So, I just suggested yung plastic bag. Pero mas maganda yun kasi para mas even yung paghati-hati nila. Buti naman mabait si Sir, kaya nag-agree siya doon sa sinabi ko. Diba? Super init ng panahon ngayon. Kahit nga ako may electric fan na ako pero pa rin. Nagpapawis pa rin. Super init. Ewan ko kung ano yung heat index level ngayon. As you can see here, my face is full of happiness. It's not a question. Yeah, it is the big smile is formed already. Yay, and thank you for them. So yun na nga sila, paalis na sila. So I'm just going to say na happy trip and God bless. Bye bye.